How to activate PID control macro in ABB ACS310 drive? If you want to activate PID control macro in ABB ACS310 drive, then follow this process. Press enter button, REF press down button, go to the PAR, press enter button, 01, press down key, go to the parameter group number 99. You can go to the any group by pressing up or down key. When you come to the group number 99, press enter button, 9901, press up button and go to the parameter number 9902. When you go to the parameter 9902, press enter button 2 times. Here you can set value 6 for PID control macro. You can change value by pressing up or down key. When 6 show, then press enter button. Now ABB PID control macro is activated in your ABB ACS 310 drive. Press exit key, exit, go to the main display.